but this is not the Sprite challenge you've gotten accustomed to. We're not trying to see who can go the longest without burping. We're trying to do just the same thing we've done on the Chug challenge. Who can drink it the fastest? So you might see some big ass burps. Hopefully no one throws up. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm ready for it.
Pull up with the crew, Ecstasy, yeah, we in it. Gon' hit for the gang, gon' live for the gang, gon' give to the game till it's finished, yeah, but this is how we living.
Alright, so let's see this Chug challenge y'all talk about, you know.